Welcome, welcome, my friends. Welcome to this edition of QiEnergyActivation. Now let's begin the practice in a slightly different way. Let's move into the beginning of the universe position with our arms rounded, our knees slightly bent, our shoulders relaxed. Let's straighten our spine, tucking in our chin. Let's go directly to breathing in and out of the nose only, putting that smile on your lips, resting the tip of your tongue on your palate. Arms are rounded big, hands are rounded, fingers are spread, shoulders relaxed. Close your eyes. As you're standing still, follow the movement of your breath. Focusing on your hands and your fingertips. Feel the tingling. Feel the pulsing. Feel how simply coming into this beginning of the universe position is connecting you to the chi field around you, to the chi field within you. Bend the knees a little more. In this comfortable stance, with this relaxed tension, you can do a standing meditation. Focusing on your breath to go deeper. Mindfulness breathing. Following the complete inhalation and the complete exhalation. As you quiet your mind, now using Qigong breathing, putting your attention on the lower dantian, on the inhalation, gathering the Qi in this energy reservoir just behind the navel in the center of the body. And then on the exhalation, using your intention, using the power of your will and focus concentration, visualize any energy blockage anywhere in your body, transforming, turning into light shooting out from your body in every direction, shooting back to the ends of the universe. Opening your eyes. We're going to do a slight, graceful movement. As we inhale, turn your body to the left, but turning just at the waist. Your hips don't move. And turn till you're looking to the side. And as you exhale, turn to the other side while maintaining your arms open, the same distance they were at the beginning of the universe position. Looking away, breathing in. Exhaling as you turn. Remember turning just at the waist, not applying any force to the knees. The knees stay comfortably bent, but the hips aren't moving, just turning at the waist. Moving meditation. Your attention on your hands. Feel the tingling, pulsing, the sensations as your hands move through the chi field, slowly, gracefully. Relaxing the shoulders. Now with your next exhalation, return to center. Bring your hands into prayer position, uniting the fingertips, pressing the tips of the fingertips together with a slight pressure as you unite your palms. Bring your hands to your chest. The fifth of the 5 element healing Qigong movements, connecting to your heart. As you breathe in, you bow gently forward. And you connect to the positive emotion of gratitude. Exhaling through the nose, you straighten back up. Breathing in, bowing forward and feeling the gratitude radiating out from your heart to every part of your body. Feeling the shift in your vibration as you feel gratitude in your cell, in your muscles, in your bone, in your organ. You feel that vibration of gratitude filling your soul. And you say, thank you, thank you, thank you. You are so grateful for everyone and everything. that you just say, thank you, I love you. Thank you, I love you. Thank you, I love you. You feel your vibration rising. You say to yourself, I am blessed, so very, very blessed. And I am blessing. Say to yourself, I am loved. I am so very, very loved. And I am loving. I am thankful for everything that comes into my experience. I welcome every experience with an open heart. I cherish these opportunities to learn and grow and raise my level of consciousness. Thank you, thank you, thank you. With the vibration of gratitude, you're automatically balancing out any fear you've been holding on to in your kidneys, energetic system. As you feel the gratitude, you visualize a blue light surrounding your kidneys, healing your kidneys. Cobalt blue, sapphire blue, deep, deep dark blue. See the blue light surrounding your kidney. And say, thank you. I love you. Feeling the vibration of gratitude. Thank you. I love you. Thank you. I love you. Now as we exhale, we bring our hands down to our sides. Take a relaxing breath in through the nose and out through the mouth. We bring our hands to cover our lower dantian, men with the left hand against the body, women with the right hand against the body. The other hand on top, the center of the palms aligned with the center of the navel. Feel the warmth and see the light in your lower dantian. There is a beautiful ball of light spinning and spinning, getting smaller and brighter, smaller and brighter. Now it becomes an energy pill that you tuck away deep behind the navel for whenever your body needs to call on that energy. Now you massage small circles up on the right side, down on the left, right around the navel, 9 times. Now let's make big circles up to the solar plexus, down to the base of the belly, sending warmth and light, love, and gratitude to all of your internal organs. Return to making small circles right around the navel. Come to rest. Take a relaxing breath. Now let's rub the hands together. Get them nice and hot. Place the palms over your eyes. And love and gratitude to your eyes. Say, thank you, eyes. I love you, eyes. Bring the hands down now. Massage the face in a heart-shaped motion. Close your eyes as you visualize the heart. Say to yourself, I love my skin. I love my cheeks. I love my nose. I love my lips. I love my teeth. I love my chin. Brush your fingers back to the scalp. Say to yourself, I love my brain. I love my left brain. I love my right brain. Form a cup with both hands and cup or pat from the forehead to the base of the head. Leave one hand on the forehead and cup the base 9 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Massage the ears. Bring your hands back down. Take a relaxing breath. Now return the hands to prayer position. And we humbly bow, giving thanks to the divine, our spiritual masters, our ancestors. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I bow to each of you. Thank you for your practice today. Looking forward to seeing you again here next time for another Qi energy activation. Have a great rest of your day.